The certificate's been great. I feel really at home in the program, and I've met a lot of really cool people. And I've always been really interested in advocacy and volunteering, so I figured learning about kind of the background for those things was pretty important. I think I'm kind of a loud leader. I am always one of the first people to stand up and say something, and I'm not afraid to advocate for myself and ask questions. Being part of the Leadership Council has kind of shown me that the best leader is a mixture of all of the types of leaders I've encountered. So someone who's going to be thoughtful and quiet at times and let other people talk, but also the people who are confident enough to stand up and say how they feel and kind of inspire other people. The classes in the PACE program ground you the way that policy works and the way that communities solve problems. And I think by being in such a diverse pool of students with so many different ideas, it really helps you understand how some of those ideas come to be, which is really helpful if you come from a place with not a lot of diversity. And the PACE program has definitely helped me do that because I learned much more about how to communicate with other people through the classes there. Taking PACE classes, even if you're not interested in politics or civil engagement of any kind, is really going to make you a more well-rounded citizen. And I've found that it has made me a better empathizer because you learn so many different things about something. So it's like you're standing at so many different points looking in on something. So that'll make you a better citizen because you're going to want to learn more about something before you make a judgment. I've met a lot of really great professors, and I've made a lot of really good friends, and it's just a good community to kind of be stimulated and challenged and just to grow.